Hi everyone, I want to show our project. Our project is about QR code scanner. You can see here the start scanner button and the background, the building of Uzbekistan Senate. And after the pressing start scanner, you can see the rectangular area which the app will scan the barcode of the book. For example, like the book Islam Karimov, the title of book Yüksek Manevi Yenilmez Güç, and this barcode is not found in database. Okay, on the next one, and I'll turn to the and Islam Karimov Yüksek Manevi Yenilmez Güç. After Islam Karimov, title Yüksek Manevi Yenilmez Güç. And the next book is about Murtaza Karshibayev's books Ezgulik and Manaviyat. And I will turn book and he will scan. And Murtaza Karshibayev Ezgulik and Manaviyat. That is our book. Thank you, app demo. Thank you very much.
So this is our Android app, and this is demo, and we have only one button with BTN scan ID, and we set up a picture to the background. So and I show the Java code in main activity Java. We created database. This is array. We use it array as a database, and in database we have inner. In this array we have inner arrays. Each array element includes book informations. In the first element, book barcode, and the second element, book after of book, and then the last element is about title of book. The structure is like this. So we have this kind of database, and then we declared button to listen the button click, and when we click on this button, we perform some tasks. For example, here we set on click listener, and when we click this button, this function will run. In this function, actually we use it ZXing library to implement this QR code and barcode scanner application. So in this function we integrated the library. Here we created intent integrator, and in here we defined main activity this. So by writing this code, we integrated this ZXing library with our Android application, and we set up some properties for a prompt, and then the next function also. And here protected void on activity result will receive results about request code and result code. So here we get the intent result dot get contents. This will this brings the result of the barcode or a QR code, and we are checking this if it is not null, is not equal to null, so we have some results at least. And if we have any result, we want to show alert dialog. So we set up dialog builder. For a title, we write book info builder dot set title is equal to book info. So this will show. You can see in this demo also, and the logic is here actually. We use it for loop operator to define the result. This result is in our database or not. So we should check it. To check, we have a lot of informations about books, and we should iterate this one by one, and we use this for each loop to implement this. Here you can see, and so I is equal to 0 and I is less than book info dot length, and that's the I is less than the length of this book info array, and then we use it increment operator here, and then we are checking using if statement. So we should check with first element only, this element, this element, this element. So array is 0 based index in Java, so we use it here only 0, book info I and 0. I always change. One time is equal to 0, next time is 1, and so on and so on. But the position is only 0. So we are checking these two string. Actually, intent result get contents is string. Book info is also its string, and we are using this equals function to compare these two string. If this statement is true, so we define it actually flag. Here you can see flag, and flag is equal to book info dot length, length of array, and flag is equal to I if this condition is true. And after that we break this for loop, and actually we for implement we are writing this because we want to know which element is equal to this intent result get contents in this array. Which element, first element, second element, or third element, we want to know. So I use this flag logic, and the flag is equal to I. I shows the index of array, we get the error index number by writing this, and this is equal to flag, and we are writing the next statement is again if flag is greater or equal to book info dot length, that this is this right code. This means this barcode is not found in database, you know, and this is not in our array. This is not found, and if not, else builder set message. So we are setting the last message to user know about the information of books, and like this, and after that user can again retry to use this application. And that's it. Thanks for watching.